Listen up, because if your PC is still running like it's from 2012, this is the video that's gonna save your setup. And let me tell you, having the right GPU, it's a total game changer. Your frames go up, your temps go down, your sanity comes back. Next up, we've got the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 Ti, our pick for best graphics card for most people. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 Ti is the kind of GPU that just makes sense. It brings a seriously impressive combo of performance, next-gen features, and value. And right now, it's arguably the best 4K graphics card most people can buy. Unlike the AMD Radeon RX 7900 XT, which lacks DLSS features, the NVIDIA 5070 Ti doesn't just give you frames, you get extra frames. Up to 3 AI-generated frames per render means silky, smooth gameplay, especially on high refresh displays.